Hello guys, so this tutorial 24 I will discuss about fix together in a sketch in 2D. So fix together, it means if you sketch some part and if you're not given any constraint or any dimension, if you not add it, so if you select the line or any sketch, so if you drag it or stretch it, so the part will be leave the positions, so that it means unfixed. And if you fix the sketch or line of all the parts, so if you drag it and if you push it, so all the part will be leave the positions, but it should be fix the all the constant value or line or point. So let's start the tutorial 24. So select start, go to mechanical design, select part 1, click OK. Now choose the plane. I'll sketch the select XY plane, select sketch, okay. Now I'm going to sketch some part. Before that I'll choose one center point, 2-point arc like this. Now choose the line, like this, and now I will choose 3-point arc, 1 point, 2 point, three point. Now erase this one, so go to erase, or else go to insert, operation, trim, quick trim. Okay, so now this is the sketch. Now suppose if I choose this, select the line, and if you drag it or push it, so you see the part will be leave. And why it is leaving? Because I have not given any what do you call constraint or any dimension, so that is the reason. And why this line not leaving? Because this is already in constraint, because this is the parallel, so it is constraint. Suppose if I change the parallel, and I will choose something like this. Now I will erase it. This one, this one, this one. Now you just click this, and now you drag it. Now you can see it is leaving the and leaving the positions. So that is the reason it is unfixed, or because if you will give the constraint or dimension, then it will not move. So if you don't want to give any constraint value or any add the constraint, but you want to fix the all the part, so then you need to choose the fix option. So go to insert, operation, transformation, the see actually I was earlier complete this transformation, all the these tools, and now I said I will move for 3D, but now I'm still in 2D, so that is the reason I am not choose this 3D orientation geometry. So I will discuss about this 3D geometry in later. So now what I was discussing about the fix. So now here it is the fix together. If you expand this, so now it is the auto constraint. So if you click this, so it will give the all the dimension or value. So it's already have discussed in the beginner video. Now I am discussing the fix together. So this is the fix together. If it is not available, then you can click here, and you will click a sketch or orientation, sorry, sketch, so it will be come out. So now it's already here, so click the fix together. Now select the line, this the circle 2 and point 3, 1 point, 2 point and 3 point and one arc. So it is a 4 geometry. Now I will choose this one again, this one and this one. So all the part I think is covered. Now I am going to click OK. So now it is fixed. Now suppose if you will click and if you move it, so all the part will be moved. It will not leave any express or expand or drag it or any length, because it's already fixed. All the part is fixed and they fix the all the corner point. So that is the reason all part of point and line is already fixed. So this is called fix. I will discuss one more example. Suppose I'll choose a profile line and choose like this. Suppose if I'll choose like this, so it will leaving the position and it is not fixed. If you'll fix and if you'll give the dimension, for example, you just select all the line and selected all the line. Now I am going to give the auto constraint. So now click OK. So now if you move it, so all the part will be moved. So because I have given a constraint value, that is the reason is fixed and dimension, so it will move. So Control Z. Now it is unconstrained. So now I am going to select the fix together. So click the fix together and now it's selected all the point and part line. Click OK. Now you just select any line or any point. Now it will move. For example, I'll choose one profile line and I will escape something like this and join this point. Now suppose I will choose fix together. Now I'll choose this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, but I am leaving this line. Click OK. Now you just select any line. Now you see all the part is moving. Now I'll give you one more example. Click profile line, select here. Now click fix together. Select this line, this line, this line. Click OK. So this line is fixed, but these three lines is not fixed, so this will be moved. Leave the position and changing the dimension, constraint dimension, right? So this is called fix command in CATIA. So thank you for watching. I will discuss with another command or any another tools in CATIA software. So I will stop here. So I'll meet you in next video. So if you have any question or any doubt about this CATIA or any 2D sketch, so please go ahead my YouTube channels and you can watch and you can download and you will understand each dot, whatever dot you have it. So I'll meet you in next video. Thank you for watching.